Transform your life. Essential daily rituals every woman should embrace. Introduction. Your habits shape your becoming each. Sunrise offers more than just light. It gives you another opportunity to step closer to the woman you were born to be. But the transformation you seek doesn't lie in waiting for big, life-changing moments. It lives in the ordinary, in what you do daily, consistently, and intentionally. These 10 life-shaping rituals are not about chasing perfection or pleasing the world. They are about aligning with your truth, nurturing your mind, body, and soul, and reclaiming your power. Begin the day with sacred stillness. Before the world enters your space, enter your own. The early moments of your day are the most powerful. Treat them with reverence. Whether it's a few minutes of deep breathing, prayer, or mindful awareness, silence creates a gateway to clarity. It's in stillness that your inner voice rises above the noise, guiding your intentions and grounding your spirit before life begins to pull at you. Use loving words when you speak to yourself. Your internal dialogue is your most influential voice. Too often, women become their harshest critics, repeating silent scripts of inadequacy. Flip the script. Speak to yourself with tenderness. Look in the mirror and affirm your strength. I am healing. I am evolving. I am enough. This self-love is not vanity, it is the foundation of confidence and emotional resilience. Move to celebrate. Not to punish. Your body is not a burden or a battleground. It is a sacred vessel that deserves care, joy, and movement. Move not to erase flaws, but to express vitality. Whether through stretching, dancing, walking, or lifting, let movement be your love language to your body. It boosts your mood, clears your mind, and reminds you you're alive and worthy of joy. Nourish your mind with positivity. Your mind consumes what you feed it. If your daily input is negative, chaotic, or draining, peace becomes elusive. Start filtering your mental diet. Read something inspiring. Listen to podcasts that uplift. Watch content that empowers. Your thoughts shape your energies. So give your mind the fuel it deserves. Do one brave thing every day. Growth never happens in the comfort zone. You don't have to take giant leaps, but take one bold step daily. Speak up in that meeting. Say no without guilt. Ask for what you need. Each courageous act builds your strength and proves to you that you are more capable than fear would have you believe. Practice boundaries as a form of self-love. A boundary is not a wall, it's a declaration of what you value. Saying no isn't rude. It's responsible. You are not responsible for managing everyone else's comfort at the cost of your own well-being. Learn to say no without explaining, without apologizing. Protect your time, peace, and energy. They are precious, and so are you. Keep a daily gratitude practice. Gratitude is transformational. It turns ordinary moments into treasures. Even on the rough days, there's something to be thankful for: a warm cup of tea, a deep breath, a kind word. Write down 3 things each evening. This habit shifts your focus from lack to abundance and cultivates contentment in the present. Set one clear intention each day. Don't try to do it all. Focus on one small goal every day that aligns with your greater vision. Whether it's writing a page, making a call, or organizing your space, progress, not perfection, builds dreams. Small steps compound over time into massive transformation. Rest without shame. Rest is not weakness, it's wisdom. In a culture that glorifies exhaustion, reclaim your right to pause. Take time to nap, sit in stillness, or enjoy unstructured moments without guilt. A rested woman is a powerful woman. You do not need to earn rest, you simply need to allow it. End the day with gentle release as your day closes. Release whatever heaviness you carry. Forgive the unkind words, the missed tasks, the emotional weight. Most importantly, forgive yourself. Let go of perfectionism and recognize that doing your best is always enough. End your day in peace, not pressure. You deserve to rest with a light heart. Be the voice that heals you in a world that constantly tells you how to look, what to do, and who to be. Your inner voice must become your refuge, not your battlefield. Too often, women become their own harshest critics, whispering doubts and replaying regrets. But you don't have to be another enemy in your own mind. You are with yourself 24/7. Send how you speak to yourself directly shapes your spirit, confidence, and courage. Relearn the language of self-compassion. Most women are taught to be kind to others but not to themselves. We've been conditioned to offer grace outwardly and scrutiny inwardly. Forgive everyone else, while holding ourselves hostage to perfection. But that pattern must end. You deserve to hear from yourself the same tenderness you offer your friends. Encouragement, patience, understanding. Your inner dialogue should reflect love, not punishment. Stop dimming your own light. Each time you criticize your reflection or compare your journey to another's, you chip away at your own brilliance. Phrases like "I am not enough" or "I'll never be like her" don't just sit in your mind, they soak into your soul. You weren't created to fit someone else's mold. You were made to shine in your own light. It's time to end the self-sabotage and speak life into yourself. Instead, speak to yourself like you'd speak to someone you love. You would never tear down your best friend. You wouldn't call your sister a failure. So why is it okay to talk to yourself that way? It's not. Your voice should be a place of comfort and truth. Start saying, "I'm proud of you." Say, "You're trying, and that matters." Say, "I see your effort. I see your heart." These words matter. They don't just feel good, they rewire your self-worth. Affirmations are not fluffed. Their foundations. Positive affirmations aren't silly sayings. They are tools of transformation. They plant seeds that, when nurtured daily, blossom into unshakable confidence. Say it even if you don't fully believe it yet. I am enough. I am growing. I deserve joy. These repeated truths will become the soil your future self thrives in. What you speak to yourself today becomes how you live tomorrow. Rebuild your relationship with the mirror at first. Kindness might feel foreign. If you've spent years criticizing your reflection, praise might seem uncomfortable, but practice makes peace. Show up to your mirror with love. Choose to replace criticism with compassion. With every gentle word, you restore trust in yourself. You don't need perfection to feel worthy. You just need truth, spoken with tenderness. Inner kindness changes everything when you start to honor yourself with gentle words. Something profound happens. You begin to raise your standards. You no longer tolerate disrespect or seek constant validation. You don't settle for lukewarm love or fractured friendships. You become magnetic, unshakable, whole. It's not about ego, it's about finally understanding your worth. Your inner voice is either a weapon or a wing. Your self-talk will either lift you or limit you. It will either break you down or build you up. Speak gently when you're tired. Speak kindly when you fail. Speak truthfully when you feel lost. You are not behind. You are on your own sacred path. No one else gets to define your timeline but you. Make the mirror a place of encouragement tonight. Look yourself in the mirror not just to check your hair, but to really see the woman staring back. Say to her, "I forgive you. I believe in you. I love you." Because when your own reflection becomes a source of encouragement, you stop needing the world to clap for you. You've already become your own loudest cheerleader, and that's power. Final conclusion. You are the artist and the masterpiece. You are not simply building habits or changing routines. You are returning home to yourself. Each intentional act, each loving word, each mindful pause is a brushstroke on the canvas of the woman you are becoming. This journey isn't about becoming someone else. It's about rising as the version of you that has been waiting beneath the noise, the pressure, and the self-doubt. You are the author of your inner world, and your daily choices are the language in which your future is written. Speak to yourself with grace. Live each day with purpose. Protect your peace like it's sacred, because it is. The world may try to define you, rush you, or shrink you, but you know better now. You are already enough. Every day, through each ritual of self-love and strength, you are proving it to the world. Yes, but more importantly, to yourself.